In this video, I want to show you how to use a little bit of influencer marketing to promote your TikTok account.
This video is brought to you by Abby Pies Academy.
And you're going to go to Fiverr.com and you look, all I did was search for TikTok. Whenever you do this, I don't know what you're going to have available, but at the moment there are 93 services available. Most of these people will say, I'll give you a shout out. These people have 5 million followers that they claim they have. These people have 30,000 followers they claim they have, whatever. Altogether, it's quite a lot. And some of them will be super fake. Some of them will actually turn out to be very helpful. Some of them will help you with video editing, all these kinds of things. And some of them, by the way, can help you, teach you specific things. Maybe for your niche, you need some specific things. They can help you improve whatever you need to do. So look through these and check out, especially if it's good if you can have an account that's related to your account. Like if you're comedy and you find a comedy influencer here or freelancer here, then of course that audience already likes comedy. Or, so you basically can look through these and see what makes sense for you. And at the moment, there's only 96 people who actually, or 93 people who actually offer things on TikTok. So you can actually look through all of them and just see who can help you. And this person will even see their services. I will find TikTok popular influencers. So you can actually get a lot of ideas for what you can get outsourced to do from these people. Now, keep your expectations low because a lot of them, they use big numbers of extremely unengaged or at times fake fans. So this will be more like experiments to see what happens. If they have 5 million followers, don't expect like all of them will rush to subscribe to you. No, it's maybe just a tiny portion of that, but it's at least something to build up your initial audience. And that initial audience really is that biggest hurdle, because after that, you'll have an army of followers who will like and watch all your future videos, and your future videos will have a lot more success. So it's really hard in the beginning. It gets easier later. And so these initial shout outs, that's how you get past the beginning stage. And by the way, since we're talking about having people give you a shout out, this doesn't have to stop at Fiverr promoters. You can look at Upwork. Right now, when I did research for this video, I actually didn't see anyone who did Upwork promotion for TikTok, but you can actually reach out to, for example, like YouTube promotion, let's say, or like you can find YouTube promotion, and you can ask people who have good YouTube channels, hey, can you promote on your YouTube channel? Can you promote my TikTok? So you can actually have a lot of people promoting you, some of them for very reasonable prices you see here, like $10, $5, and it will just expedite your TikTok growth. And of course, anyone that you know in your niche, you can ask them to do maybe a collaboration video on TikTok or on YouTube and to help promote your TikTok. So those are all ideas for how to tap into other people's audiences, sometimes paid, sometimes for free if it's your business contacts, and get people with large audiences in your niche or large audiences overall to promote your TikTok. And this is, again, something you can begin doing on day one. Now, the one mistake not to make is to do this too early before you have a library of content available. So you see, when I started out, I have like 2 videos on my TikTok. Now that's a very uninteresting TikTok account. If I had 10 videos or 20 or 30 videos, that would be a far more interesting TikTok account. That would show people that, hey, this guy is doing something. And also the fact that I have like 2 followers also makes me very uninteresting. So doing the steps like building up a library of content a little bit, doing the steps like importing your friends, all the like for like strategies, those steps should come first. And you should write your bio in your profile so that your profile looks more interesting, so that when you do these promotions, more of the people who see your profile actually subscribe and actually follow you, because you will have made your profile more interesting. If you don't make your profile more interesting, then these promotions will fall flat and will have very bad results, because even though they might get people to your account, those people will see, oh, this account has very little content, very little followers. I'm not going to follow this. Bye-bye. Right? So you don't want that to happen. So you need to build up at least a basically attractive account at first. That's your job before doing this influencer marketing.